Hi everyone, I'm Jane and welcome to my happy place. In this episode, I'll be playing with the color orange, which often can be a very daunting color to style. Now, this is not inspired by prison attire or the Netherlands soccer uniform. The inspiration for this video actually came from my Hermes Kelly in the color Apricots, which is a more yellow tone orange. Hopefully I'll be able to show you that styling with color is fun and can be easier than you think. Well, let's get to it.
In this first look, we're going with something easy and a no-brainer. White will go with any color, so having a piece either top or bottom in the color you're playing with will be a surefire way to have a nice cohesive look without it being overwhelming and in your face. This is especially great look in the summertime, where that pop of color will really brighten your day. In the second look, we're using a neutral brown or cognac color, which will go really well with orange, since brown is really just a darker orange. This is great if you're just venturing out and don't want the orange to be too much. I used an orange Losange scarf to tie the colors together. This is a great look for the fall or winter time. In the third look, we'll be using complementary colors, which is the color opposite to orange on the color wheel, blue. Keeping the pattern simple will be important when playing with pops of color, since we want to be careful not to overwhelm the look. I also wanted to show how I tied the scarf. So first, I made a loop on one end. Then you bring the middle of the other end into the loop. And then you do have to fiddle around a little bit. And voila! In the fourth look, we're playing with analogous colors located next to each other on the color wheel, which is red and yellow. I have on this beautiful yellow self-portrait dress, which not only is an analogous color to orange, but also have these blue stripes, which creates the analogous split complementary color scheme. The three colors in the split complementary color scheme is created by using the colors from both sides of the direct complement. Using all three colors will be too much together, so they should only be used sparingly as accents. Desaturating them and adjusting the proportion is what will add subtlety and interest. Yes, it's a little bit complicated. I honestly just got lucky with the dress. In the fifth look, we're going back to something more straightforward, since the last two looks were a little convoluted in principle, using pieces that have a hint of the color that we're playing with in the pattern to act as an accent to bring out the color of our bag. Once again, I like white as a clean slate background. A dress like this would work well also with blue, purple, or yellow accessories, since the dress incorporates all of those colors subtly. Lastly, somehow orange and pastel pink just go so well together. I'm not really sure why. With this look, I also love to add a white jacket over it to add more layer and depth. This jacket is by Soia, and I love the large waterfall drapings. It definitely makes any look a little bit more classy. The only color I would not style with orange would be black, as it would look a little bit too Halloween.
I hope this video helped not only with styling an orange accessory, but in just busting the myth that colors are hard to work with. Now, you can use these principles with any of your favorite colors in your wardrobe. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll be making more styling videos soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!